They should just sell the country and give the change to whoever they will give it to.
I have to withdraw my children from the school he's going to and take him to public school.
Apart from pé Yoruba àti Hausa àti Igbo, anybody ló ń pariwo.
Welcome back to Street Opinion, and today's theme is Bola Amed Law. How is it going? I want you to walk with me as I interview people on the streets to ask them how is it going? How is it going in their life? How is their business going? How has the economy affected their business and their families?
The economy is affecting me personally, even my family, because means of transportation is quite expensive.
It's even getting more difficult on the going, right? So there are like inflation every day, increments in prices of stuff, cost of living and everything. So I also think it boils down to housing, it boils down to fast-moving consumer goods, it boils down to every aspect of life.
It has been badder than bad, worse than worse, if there's any English like that. Because we thought Tinubu was going to come and give us something different.
Actually, I'm not surprised, because who is he? What has he done to deserve being a president of Nigeria? People I talked to before the election say he has done something good in Lagos. Come and show me what he has done. I've actually been in Lagos to see what he has done. He doesn't have a track record of anything good I can point to.
Now once in a day they eat now. Once in a day, food of 1,000 they fool me again. My children won't go school now. If I give them one person 500, I know they reach again. One day they can rise now 1,000 something. My boy, you don't affect me well. You don't affect us.
A lot of things, food at home, my business and everything. At home, so I'll tell them that let's minimize. I've even limit the way we are eating. I said, as Yoruba do say, there is nothing like shoyo. It's shoti jeun.
Dollar is going high every day by day. You understand? What you bought today now, you bought now for a rate of 20 naira. If you go there, they will tell you it's 25 naira. It's no more longer 20 naira.
Last year, we still buy maybe half bag of rice at home just to eat. But now, we can't even afford to buy quarter bag of rice. We have to go and be buying Derica.
Economy, where employment is hard.
Now food is expensive in school. How does my pocket money want to feed me for the whole week? There is no fuel. Now cab is 100 naira instead of 15 naira. Everything. Inside Unilag, I'm stressed, I'm tired, and now
there's no much patronage like before, because the way it's affecting me is also affecting other people. It will just stay here from in the morning. We will stay maybe at the end of the day. It's only one product, or we'll end up just going home like that without selling anything.
Every day lot en fowó sí yẹn, every day òróró every day láìlọ́nù yìí èló là ń rà tẹ́lẹ̀ 1,800 ó di 5,000.
Èló ni 1 litre of rice 1,200 naira. Nǹkan tán ra 600 700 láyé Jonathan ṣé ẹ kó máa rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Èló ni gàrí ṣe owó tó ń tà. Rice ọtún 1,000 tún wá wú. Ọmọ mẹ́rin kan máa jẹ rice ìdíríkà méjì. Kí làwọn fẹ́ jẹ?
I have to withdraw my children from the school he's going to and take him to public school. Like, just go and stay there for your while.
Monday after 7 ní yaba yìí. Mo ṣì mo dẹ̀ ti ń wá. Tẹ́ pa àwọn èèyàn wọn kò sówó tó máa fi ra nǹkan kan máa wò ní. Wọ́n bá nǹkan tá a bá tà náà máa dúró ká fi rí ta ni.
Ṣé school fees ní ká sọ ni? Àbí house rent ní ká sọ? Especially NEPA bill ní ká sọ ni. Gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ́dẹ̀ fọ́ lọ government náà ni gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ. Nínú náà fún bí ọjọ́ bí 3 days out of a month. Tọ́ba tí wọ́n máa gbé wá tún máa gbé crazy bill wá fún wọn increase salary o. Apart from pé Yoruba àti Hausa àti Igbo, anybody ló ń pariwo, ó wà affect anybody ni.
They should just sell the country and give the change to whoever they will give it to. Everybody should just leave the country.
Jagaban help us now, Joe. Afakosio, Ebelambe.
For the president, if he's actually going to listen to this, I'll say the people are crying, the youths are crying, the women are crying. These market women voted for you. These people actually, they reached out to you to help them change their situation. And you promised them something. Is it the difference you are bringing us to?
At least let him bring himself from where he is and just bring himself down, come and see the way we are suffering and how things is. Maybe that will change his own perspective on the harshness.
Now, what I want to say is that I've even said it in the morning that we only need to be praying for him, that God should put us in his mind, that he should favor anything that he wants to do in this country to favor us.
Kán bá wa wá nǹkan ṣe sí kókó rọ̀ máa lọ báyìí. Àwọn míì wà tó jẹ́ wípé tán àbá jáde báyìí kò síbi tán ti fẹ́ gbóúnjẹ
if I should be seeing our president.
President Tinubu, you know you try.
I will tell the man is to try to do something tangible for our economy.
Me, I will tell him that he should give me trouble new.
Oúnjẹ jẹ kí Tinubu kó help wa abẹ́ ni àṣẹ àkọ́kọ́ jọ nítorí Ọlọ́run ó náà fẹ́ help wa gbogbo wọn náà ń bú wa ọmọ náà wà ló kan lọ́mọdé kó ibú kan wa.
àìbẹ̀ náà la máa bẹ̀ wọ́n kò sí nǹkan tá a fẹ́ ṣe kán bá wa ṣe Nàìjíríà dáadáa náà ni.
How do we endure something that is so difficult? Tinubu, you should do something better.
I'll suggest to the Nigerian government that
do what it takes to actually make things go better.
Bola help us, that's what they are begging.
Abi, you don't forget say people dey street.
Get people that are wise, that knows how to run a country better.
Come to universities and get these professionals to begin to do hackathon and tech hackathons and marketing in their own field so that you create newer markets for newer products to be able to sell out of Nigeria. More exports would strengthen the Naira, and if the Naira is strengthened, then you know the vibe.
Okay guys, keep watching.
Keep watching.
Keep watching Street Opinion.
Keep watching Street Opinion for more intellectual discourses and regular everyday discourses as well.